How to change your Netflix password on PC. Now, in order to change your Netflix password on PC, just simply open your netflix.com at very first, and after you open your Netflix, you are going to see a lot of options, and one of those is this profile icon from the top right corner. Just simply select that and then tap to this account option. Select account, and after selecting account, you are going to see a lot of options, and one of those is security. Just simply tap to security option, and then you are going to see the option of password at very first. Simply tap to password option, and then you can change your password by just simply entering your current password at very first, then enter a new password in the second box and re-enter the same new password into the third box. And after confirming your new password and correctly entering your current one, tap to save button, and it will change your password from your PC in your Netflix. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.